hill and some epic music. Can he do it?
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Alan White here, and welcome back to another video. Hopefully you enjoyed that beginning part. I thought that would be kind of funny just to mess around and make that, and it was a lot of fun to shoot it. But other than that, this video is going to be kind of like the last video where we're just kind of riding the trail. Hopefully you'll get a better feel of this trail and a better feel of how this bike runs on this trail now that we can actually run through it a couple of times rather than just going through it really fast once and getting lost. I actually stay on the trail for once. But shout out to Bodine Racing. Thank you for the support, man. Thank you for the sub. Really appreciate it. And just all the support that I'm getting right now with a new channel, it's awesome. Definitely something that like helps me motivate myself, and just really cool to see. And the channel's growing pretty fast. Faster than I thought. I don't know how fast is fast, but I'm enjoying making these videos. Hopefully the quality will start getting better and better, and I'll have more ideas and blah blah blah. Other than that, I'm going to throw some music to this, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.